So I wanted to replant these wooden planters, but they were severely rotten. And there's no good way to deal with it other than totally replacing them. But instead, here's what I did. I began by taking apart the wooden planter. As you can see, it's totally rotten from the inside, so I needed to scoop out as much dirt as I possibly could. I did that and then braced the wooden planter with metal brackets on the inside, thanks to my assistant and husband. Then I used a weed liner to line the insides of the most rotten parts of the planter, made some new potting soil for these boxwood, used packing peanuts, my special trick, and then planted in these boxwood with fresh soil. Ta-da! This is the completed planters, mulched, fresh soil, weed liner, and much happier, not leaking anymore. I'm gonna trim these boxwood only until about June 20th here in the Northeast. You can't trim them after that. If you like this video, please subscribe. This is my first video doing a project like this, and I'd love to do more of them if you're interested. Thanks.